O T for me. O T for me. O T for me. O T for me. O Beke Marama. O T for me. O Beke Marama. O T for me. 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 O Beke Marama. O T for me. O Beke Njamina. O Beke Marama. O T for me. 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 O Beke Marama. O T for me. O Beke Marama. O T for me. 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 Listen to me now, as I different to you. When I was on your mentor, praise that Chukwu. Listen to me now, as I different to you. When I was on your mentor, praise that Chukwu. Even though it better, I couldn't turn the water until something happened to me. Praise that Chukwu, praise that Chukwu, praise that Chukwu. Answer your name, oh, answer your name, Mbombo. Answer your name, oh, answer your name, Mbombo. Answer your name, oh, answer your name, Mbombo. My name, Mbombo, my name, Mbombo, my name, Mbombo. Ine gaya gaya we, 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 ine gaya gaya we. Huh? Chukwu Special General 2233 dark all night. All Ighe Nkechi IGHE Ighe, then in space Nkechi NKECHI. All Ighe Nkechi Ogwu Gospels covered. Cover all of them. All Ighe IGHE Ighe, then in space Nkechi 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 Ogwu Gospel covered. All Ighe Nkechi Ogwu Gospel and all family, generation, ancestries, individual, like individual Ighe Nkechi Ogwu Gospel and foundations, in any place they put them, Ighe Nkechi, that means Ighe Nkechi tithe, in any place they put them, using them against the innocent, against the world, against all, in their ring, in their jewelries, all acquired gospel, basically on negative mind, bad intention against all, and some swallow them, using them against the innocent. Some put them like in a book, casting them like gospel against the innocent. Cast them on rocks, on trees, on places, on their decks, on the road, and some drop them on the roads, and have the foundation. Even on the street, where the homeless are, Some put them there. Some green snakes under green grass, moving around. Already knocked out of reality world. They are going against everybody. Everybody must suffer. Everybody must have problem. They are going against the world. And Bob Marley, in his song, in a natural mystique. Listen, I'll sing the song, and you play them too and understand more. In natural mystique, he say, it's a natural mystic flowing through the air. There is a place he say, many have to suffer, many have to die. Then after that he say, don't ask me why. Most saw, but they struggle to come up with solution to prevent all that and wipe them out. Ighe Nkechi acquired Ogwu gospel. Moving around in the age, from the ancient time and the present time, in family, generation, ancestries, some in the history of their family, that's who they are. They are known with gospel, casting negativities against all. And some, their ancestors, the history to their family, they are innocent. But the new generation came up and started fighting the old generation. Then next thing, they start practicing Ighe Nkechi, Ogwu gospel, using them against the innocent, and see that this is the easier and easiest way to make money, because they are selfish. They are fighting their own personal gain, and so use them in religious places. If you go against them, if you argue with them, then they go to their altar, go to their base, where their Ighe Nkechi Ogwu gospel are. Then they start summoning Ighe Nkechi Ogwu gospel against the innocent, casting negativities. Next time they come out and say, this guy that argue with us, God say he will have or she will have a high blood pressure. Everyone will be like, hey, professor, man of God, professor. They are all dwelling in Ighe Nkechi. They are in Nigeria too. They are in Nigeria. They see that like the easiest way to make money and to boost their foundation. Everybody come. They give fake prophecy. They push gospel on the innocent. They say because they didn't come to us, they are the reason they are suffering. To destroy all the Ighe Nkechi in all foundation, science, and technologies, wherever they are, or anybody brought into any home, house, building, on our roads, on our ocean, on our airspace, in any place, to destroy all of them and turn them upside down. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 colors, male dog, okenkita, male dogs, okeobagu, otinku chicken, 4 he-goats, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. To block them, I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 colors, ebo ngene green blocking, Chukwu and Ndotuya walls all colors blocking. Uncountable rabbits, biophysical and spiritual giant walls, block all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. To cover all of them, and the ones giving the negative vision and negative hearing, to cover all of them, I use black trash bags, plastic bags, wakele, aqua oji, black blankets, aqua oji, cover all of them, bring them down, put them in basket, tie and chain them, tie and chain them, block them, blind them, cover all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And the ones they swallow in their body, they put like cologne in any place. They wear like on their hair, on their body, they tie them in their body, any place in their body, in their outer body, inner body, any place, they put them, in building, in rooms, in homes, any place they are, to cast all of them out. I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goats, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors, burning incense, burning sage, cast all of them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and block all of them. I say, rise no more, rise no more, rise no more, and banish them out. All come together, and all women worldwide come together. We use male cow, female cows, roosters, hens, rams, you can get mother goat, all 33, 22, 33 kola nut, and drinks, and prayer and us. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, all foundation, science and technologies, pot in all countries, in all family generation, ancestors, pot, prayer, transfer to all states in USA, transfer to all universal worldwide, science and technologies, transfer to all masons, freemasonries, masons worldwide, transfer to them, transfer to police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration, transfer to them for free. Transfer to Allied Universal Security, transfer to all hospitals, dental, psych ward, recuperative cares, put in Serenity, recuperative care into their foundation, science and technologies, transfer to all parks, museums, beaches, transfer there, transfer to all roads, all ocean, all airspace, all business, all foundation, all ER, emergencies, transfer to us. There, we use water, boil, eggs, drinks, food, all that goes into the body that are good to work on this prayer, their energy, their power, authorities, manifestation, free from all Ighe, Nkechi, Ighe, Nkechi, all will cause spell, against the world, against us, against anybody, and free us in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. So Moribi, he says, Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA, Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA, USA, forward,